What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Elijah Tucker Show. So, in today's video, we're going to get right to it. We are putting together the Cubiker. I have an L-shaped desk, and I'm going to put it together today. Woo, so I can start streaming some video games. Let's make it happen. So YouTube, I'm not going to lie to y'all, I don't have any tools. So hopefully you'll have everything in the box. And I'm about to use one of my kunai. Yeah, anybody like anime? Because I got me a real clip. Gotta be careful, gotta be careful.
One day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Got my directions, because I'm gonna need them. And I do have tools. Yes, saved by the tools, baby. I'm just separating all my pieces right now so that I can create a workspace. And then I'll lay out my pieces and build from there. Y'all, the people at Cubiker have outdone themselves. Look at this. They have the nuts and bolts and stuff in little sectioned off bags. Perfect. Organized. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, everyone. So first things first, you're going to need pieces A, C, and B. And then also the pieces number 7, and that is the wooden fasteners. You're going to flip your pieces upside down so that the screws are facing upward and in this shape right here. A is located here, B is located right here. Oh, sorry, C is located here, and B is right here. You need to make that L shape. And then we're going to take your wooden fasteners, you didn't see that, and push it in to the connect, to the holes. Solid. And now you're going to take your pieces labeled K with your number 3 screw, and we're going to put them on the ends of the 2 parts of the desk. How you know which way they go is because this bar right here will fasten to the bottom of the desk. Okie dokie, let's get that done. I just looked at the directions and I found out that I have part K in incorrectly. So switch the part K where the bars are facing the outside of the desk so that you don't make the same mistake that I did. Let's go ahead and switch this around. All right, we're gonna try this again. Now, with your part labeled F, we're going to take 4 of your number 3 labeled screws and make sure the bars again are facing to the back of the desk. And we're going to go ahead and fasten that. This bar, if I wasn't clear, this bar is facing the back of the desk. So YouTube, I got smart, and instead of moving the desk, I just went ahead and moved the camera. Duh. So, moving along, we are going to take parts G and part H, and we're going to fasten them into the desk and also into parts F. The screws that you're using the number 2 screw to fasten into part F. So that goes metal to metal. And then remember number 3 screw? Number 3 screw goes into the wood. So it fastens into the desk. And you're using 4 screws of each.
Electric Boogaloo.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Over time, now light your fire for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform light up.
All right, all those pieces are fast and tight. So now you're gonna find your designated driver, D and D. Okay, so these are pieces D and D, and you're gonna fasten or connect them to K and to F through D's, like what I did there, through D's, with your number 1 screw. Okie dokes. I'm making a lot of noises.
On the ashes.
Alright, now I got D's in. Alright, so we are going to take part I and fasten them to your 2 F's, okay, with the 2 remaining number 2 screws. Then we're going to take part 5, the bottom of the desk. I don't know, I would call them stoppers. And you have 6 of these, and you're just going to screw them to the bottom, like so, so that you don't scratch up your beautiful little floor.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
So, my camera battery just died. I don't know if I lost some footage, but you already knew what to do. Now, we're going to screw in 6 keys on 5. Or, it's the piece 5. The number 5 is the piece. So now we get to flip this bad boy over. I don't know how heavy it is, but be very delicate. Let's see how my work has paid off. Oh, we in there, we're fastening. Look at that. Ooh, y'all see that, right? Look at that. Boom. The desk is standing up on its own. Let me see. Add a little pressure. That's the desk, y'all. Hi, welcome to the Elijah Tucker Show. How may I help you? Okay, not there yet. So we have one more piece to put on, and that would be the E piece along with your little, I think these are J. Yep, J and your number 4 screws. Fasten E to J first, and you just want the slanteds to make sure they're slanting the same way, so that it just clips on when it's going to be upside down. I'm going to use my new desk to go ahead and screw this in here to secure it, if you will. I thank you.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Right now, all of my weight is definitely upon my desk. I was leaning. Look at this. I'm leaning all the way hard on this desk just to see if it's secure. And it feels secure. It feels very secure. So in this part, there's no specific place to put it. It's personal preference. And for me, I'm going to put it on my right side. So I'm going to put this one over here. And I got to get under. And there's holes both places under your desk. Can y'all see me? Yeah, you can see me. But I'm just gonna fasten them in these holes. All right, YouTube, well there you have it. The Cubiker L-shaped desk put together. I am going to put the plastic back on just in case you have kids or anything like that. Protection. I just think they look cool. So, and I want to protect my walls and stuff. So I'm gonna leave them things on, and then I'm gonna set this up. I hope you guys get your L-shaped Cubiker up and lickety split. It only took me actually an hour and I'd say 15 to 20 minutes to do this, and it was fun and kind of very simple and easy. Again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, but only if you want to. I don't pressure y'all and force you to, because I want you to be here on your own accord. Love yourself, love others, and you already know. Love you guys. Later. Yeah. Mind your business. I'm just looking up stuff. I'm surfing the web.